So we're here at SkillsUSA welding competition, and I'm talking with Shelly Travis. Shelly is the Executive Director of SkillsUSA in America. Shelly, what made you want to get involved in SkillsUSA?
Well, thank you, Ashley, for asking that question. When I was a high school student, I was actually very active in student organizations, and I had an advisor that made a difference in my life, and I just know what that can mean for a student. So when I began working as a college instructor, that was the first thing I did, was I actually got active within SkillsUSA. And I've seen what SkillsUSA can do in the life of a student. It can change and impact the trajectory of a student's life, not only that individual student, but their family and their community and their state. We are the solution to the workforce shortage in our country right now, and it all starts, I think, with career and technical education with SkillsUSA.
So there's hundreds of vendors here and hundreds of supporters. Why do you think SkillsUSA should be important to the industry?
To the industry? Well, this is the future of work on display right here. This is the largest of its kind in the world, of a skilled, technical skilled competition is right here on this floor. Over 5,000 competitors that are in the best in their state, in the nation, are right here competing against each other. And all these employers are so interested in these students because our SkillsUSA students, not only are they the top in their trade and their technical skills, but they also have their workforce skills and their personal skills that so many employers are looking for, but many employees, entry-level employees, are lacking. And that is truly the SkillsUSA difference, is that framework of technical, personal, and workplace skills.
Right. So it's more than carpentry building a house or welding competing in a contest with the best project. These students that are here are competing to interview, they have to present resume, and all the things that it takes. Basically, this is what it's about to go out there to the next level, which is getting a job in the workforce.
Absolutely. This is a demonstration of those skills, absolutely. And the employers and the vendors, they get to see that in action. And they're with the best across the country. 5,000 competitors, 108 career competitions, over 31 football fields.
Wow.
So it's pretty impressive.
Yeah, I know this is a huge, huge complex. I didn't realize it was 31 football fields worth, but I knew it was a lot, just a huge amount of competitors and the industry support. So when do you start planning for next year's competition?
Okay, so let's see, we end on June 24th, June 25th.
Okay, so it takes a lot of industry, a lot of support from across America to do this. So here in welding, the big players are Miller and Lincoln, obviously, and places like Kentucky Welding Institute support as well.
Absolutely, we cannot do this. We cannot pull this event off without the support of our partners. Our industry partners mean so much to us. This event simply would not happen. What you see on display here is approximately $36 to $38 million of investment by business and industry, both in their time, equipment, and supplies right here. And then those prizes to those students that help them actually enter their career and their trade of their choice. So we are so appreciative of Kentucky Welding Institute and your support, as well as Lincoln and Miller and all of our business partners that helped us make this event successful. So thank you so much.
Well, we really appreciate that, and it's a good point, and I'll close with what you said about the investment into the future. These companies are making an investment in the future, and all the way down to the advisors at the regional level have invested into those students so that they can carry on the next generation of skilled workers in America. So thank you for talking with us. We really appreciate your time today.
Oh, thank you so much for having me, and thank you so much for your support.
Thank you very much.